What's up, guys? And today I've got a pretty interesting technical analysis on Proton XPR, one of my favorite coins or tokens, you could say. Um, Sorry I haven't uploaded in a while, guys. I've been very busy. But yeah, let's hop right in here. Just kind of a quick update on what's going on with Proton XRP or XPR, sorry. And yeah, make sure you guys like and subscribe for more. All right, let's hop right in here, guys. So I do have a pretty interesting technical analysis here. Um, I still believe that the cup and handle is valid. It does seem like the handle has gotten pretty low here compared to like a traditional, cup and handle. It might not go this deep down, but I still do think it is valid considering the size of the cup. Just because it's so big, that would mean that the handle would also have to be big. And usually how we're gonna take a price target on the cup and handle is fairly simple. We're gonna take the bottom of the cup to the neckline of the cup, and we're gonna take this. So this is approximately 1100% gains that we seen here. This is our price target, and what we do is once we see the neckline broken, we're gonna take this price target and we're gonna place it here. So once we see it, this is broken. It could be over here. Could be here, could be here, right? Let's just say right here, and we actually eye up just around 8 cents, approximately 8 cents. So that is my long-term price prediction. Not sure when this could play out. In the short term, we see a little bit of descending support, I could say here. We see a wick here. We see a little bit of a breakthrough here. Lots of money flowing in. We see it was a little bit of a support here again, and we see that it's a support again. So we do know that this is a strong support, it seems like, at least, and could keep bouncing off and playing on here on this descending support. If we do not hold this level of support right now, I do believe that we could, unfortunately, it does suck, guys, but we just have to face the facts. If Bitcoin does want to go down below 30K or hover around 30K, I do see XPR going down somewhere in between this area. It does look like we do have a support level down here, which is unfortunate. It could go down a lot, but that's just a great time to buy, guys, because as we know, Proton isn't slowing down at all. Let's look at let's take the NFTs for example. $20,000 of sales today, guys, and we see, look at the NFT just can continue to rise, and this is on the Proton chain. So we don't see that quitting anytime soon. Volume still looks pretty good, even with the crashes of Bitcoin. And yeah, it's looking pretty sturdy. So we're liking that. We also see a descending line of resistance here, for I say this. I would say this is a valid line of resistance, just because 1 wick, 2 wicks, 3 wicks, and then possibly we could see a breakthrough this this little wedge here. I would say this is a valid descending triangle. It's kind of hard to say though because there was no bottom. Usually when we see it comes up and then it instantly bottoms down. I'm still going to count this as a descending triangle. And then what we will do here is we will take this and we'll see what happens if this breaks from this level. That could actually take us up to probably just around actually the level here that we want to break. So it could be good for XPR, but we'll see. This is I would say a straight. Not. I do want this to happen, but just how things are looking right now as volume slows down, it's really hard to say what could happen as we see these red dots printing on the daily, and we just don't see money coming in at all, guys. Unfortunately, what we would like to see is this curving up, and the VWAP would be curving up like that as well. which is unfortunate that we don't see that, but it is coming up slowly. Might see a little bit of bullish divergence there. We'll see what happens. If we take a look at the weekly, I would say the weekly is looking pretty good. It could be another couple weeks before we see XPR actually start moving again. Maybe sometime into March, late February, could possibly be April, right? Early April. We'll see kind of what happens, what plays out. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this technical analysis, make sure you guys like and subscribe. And check this out too. I wanted to pull up this tweet. Look what's actually happening on the Proton chain. Guys, we see 200k Proton accounts now. So it's not like Proton's dead, guys. It's just Bitcoin crashing everything down. I do believe that Proton is a great investment, in my personal opinion, not financial advice. And I'm going to continue to load up my bags, guys, because this is my favorite coin. But yeah, definitely great news from the team. It's looking very good. And it's all up. Oh, and also Proton Loan. You guys can check that out. It's the website is Proton Lend, if I remember. No, not Lend. Lend. This is the website. You guys can look into this. If you guys want a video on this, I could also make a Proton Loan video. Just make sure you guys comment that down below. And I'll catch you guys later. Thanks for watching. Peace.